As we mentioned several times before, I had pointed out that volatility had dropped significantly from both a technical and on-chain perspective. There were a large number of resistance levels stacked one after another in very tight zones above the current price. Either the price couldn't break through these zones, or a catalyst would emerge that would suddenly break through all of them at once. And that's exactly what happened, very suddenly, following a surge in the US Treasury's purchases of long-term bonds. That sudden catalyst came in, and Bitcoin broke through all those resistances, reaching nearly $72,500. It's now trading around $72,000. Technically, the short and medium-term trends have now turned bullish. That's because we had a resistance level here, this consolidation zone, which I drew last week and then removed again, if you remember. It was right in this area. I remember I had marked it in purple, so I'll mark it in purple again. We said this zone was keeping the price under pressure for the time being. And that zone has now been broken. Fortunately, that means the short and medium-term trend has turned bullish for now. We no longer have a lower low. We had one higher low, and with the current price action, we're now seeing higher highs compared to the previous highs we had here. So at the very least, what we're seeing is that Bitcoin's price is correcting the entire move that dropped from around $82,000, $83,000, all the way down to $57,000. I think, most likely, there is an 80% to 90% probability that the market's downtrend is over without us needing to establish another lower low. Let me repeat that, there's an 80% to 90% probability. From a technical perspective, if we want to analyze the market, let's focus purely on the technical picture. Apart from these two support levels we had down here, we're not concerned with those anymore. We now have a support level on the daily time frame, and on the higher time frame as well. This is the zone I'm referring to. I'll mark it in green or maybe blue, so it stands out more clearly. This is the support zone that has now been established. And as long as price continues trading above this support, the trend remains bullish. From a technical perspective, this is the bullish scenario I'm looking at. The market's downtrend is over, and we should now expect an uptrend. The invalidation point, the level that would show me this analysis is wrong, is if this support level gets broken.